Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to be taking down my 4-month-old protective style. And I've already washed my hair, and I did it using my head and shoulder shampoo. I washed it in the morning, and right now it is evening time. I didn't condition it, I just washed it to help reduce the buildup that I have in my hair, and also to make the takedown process more easy. If you have been on my channel for a minute now, you know that before I take down any protective style, be it long or short, I have to wash my hair first before I take it down. Now, since it's been a while since I washed my hair, it has dried out a bit, so I want to rehydrate it. Now that I am done rehydrating the hair, I am going to go in with my Olaplex number 3 bonding treatment, and this is what I'm going to be using to take down my hair. It doesn't have the best slip, but I don't want to have too many steps out so that I'll be able to take down the braids. And we are going to start with the very first braid at the end. Quick mini length check that's under my breast right now. I'm going to do a length check at the end of this video because my hair wasn't in these braids for 4 months just for nothing. My goal was to get to hip length, so at the end of this video I'm going to see if we have achieved that goal. I finished taking down the hair in the back, and I put them in some twists, then clipped it up. I am going to do the front. That's all that's left right now, and I might just end up finishing this up on TikTok live. Now I have taken down the back and I put it into twists. What's left is the front, and I'm going to rehydrate it because I do not take my hair down when it is dry. And just like that, fully detangled. So I'm just going to twist this section up so that this process can be organized. Can you see? This is my edges, y'all. See how long and healthy it is? That's what proper care gets you. And my hair is very soft because of the head and shoulder shampoo and the Olaplex bonding treatment. You understand? Because it is easier to unravel a braid than a twist. So as you can see, I just got done with TikTok live. I took down the rest of my hair. On there, I applied my Olaplex and I did a length check. My hair is finally hip length, as you're going to see in my TikTok live clip. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to apply my deep conditioner to my hair right now, then use my shampoo to wash everything out once I have left it in for about 30 minutes. This is everything that I lost. This is not exactly what I lost in 4 months, but it's like shed hair of a month and a half, because like I said, I take down my braids every month to redo them just to make it fresh. This is the deep conditioner that I'm using. It is the Mazuri Black Castor Oil Hair Mayonnaise. This is my very first time using this, and this is like the most expensive hair mask I have ever bought, and hopefully it is going to be the best. It is not going to be expensive nonsense. So I'm just going to take some and apply it to the perimeter of my hair to see what it is giving. It smells very luxurious, very nice, and maybe applying this to my hair while Olaplex is in it is not the best way to check its effect, because It's giving, very, very moisturizing air, hydrating, very everything I want it to give, but I don't know whether it's because of the Olaplex or because of the conditioner itself, but don't worry. In my next video, I am going to do a proper test. Section of this half. Let's go in with the conditioner. This jar is huge. This is the last section. I'm going to brush it out. So just going to put that into a knot as well. My scalp is so, oh my god. So, that is it. I'm going to leave this in my hair for about 30 minutes. Wash it out with my shampoo, just my scalp, because I have Olaplex in this and we are advised to wash it out with shampoo, but I know my hair is still going to be conditioned because I am using my Head and Shoulders shampoo slash conditioner duo. So I'm going to come back when my hair is fully shampooed and I'm going to show you guys the results. This is the final result. This is the final result. This is what my hair looks like after washing out founding treatments and the deep conditioning hair mask. My hair feels very soft, very strengthened, very refined. I am very happy with the thickness and fullness that I am seeing, because for some people, back-to-back protective hairstyles can really thin out their hair, but my hair is pretty thick, it's pretty full, and anything fuller than this is going to make me actively thin my hair out. So I'm very happy with the way my hair feels, with the way it looks. Let me show you the back view. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you liked, consider hitting the like button and subscribing if you want to see more content from me. Again, if you want to grow thick, full, healthy, long hair just like me, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. See you.